Revolut versus Trade Republic is a comparison between two popular financial services that offer a range of features to manage and grow your money. To determine which one is better, let's break down their key features and services. First, Revolut is a digital banking platform that provides users with a debit card, current account, and access to cryptocurrencies, commodities, and stocks. It also offers real-time exchange rates, fee-free transactions, and budgeting tools. Revolut's premium accounts offer additional features such as travel insurance, airport lounge access, and higher withdrawal limits. On the other hand, Trade Republic is a mobile brokerage platform that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments with zero commission fees. It also offers a range of features such as real-time market data, portfolio tracking, and dividend reinvestment. Trade Republic's platform is designed for both beginner and experienced investors, with a user-friendly interface and educational resources. When comparing the two services, consider your individual needs and goals. If you're looking for a digital banking platform with a range of features and services, Revolut may be the better choice. However, if you're primarily interested in investing in stocks and other financial instruments with zero commission fees, Trade Republic may be the way to go. In terms of fees, Revolut's standard account is free, but premium accounts come with a monthly fee. Trade Republic, on the other hand, charges no commission fees for buying or selling stocks, but there may be other fees such as custody fees or market spreads. Ultimately, the choice between Revolut and Trade Republic depends on your individual financial goals and needs. It's essential to research and compare the features, fees, and services of both platforms before making a decision. By doing so, you can make an informed choice and find the best platform to help you manage and grow your money.